Hi guys, it's Rachel back again. Just a few bits and pieces I need to tell you. So when I went to the antique market the other week, I found some beautiful hemp, and I had to wash it and iron it. So my mother-in-law very kindly offered to do that, and she is a super ironer. So if I had ironed it, it would have still had creases in it, because that's just, I'm hopeless. But anyway, so it's all been washed and ironed, and it is the most beautiful textural hemp you can imagine. I think it's like a linen hemp mix. I'm not sure. It's a beautiful texture. It feels like linen, but it's actually I think it's a mix of hemp and linen. I don't know if you can see the beautiful texture here. So I have 8. It's so beautiful. I kind of would love to keep it, but I've got quite a bit in my stash. So I did buy this to resell. So I've got 8 lengths of 2 yards. 2 yards each. So they will be going in my Etsy shop a little bit later today. So they are really beautiful. This is just beautiful, this texture. It's really gorgeous, and it's a nice weight. It's not too heavy, and it's not flimsy either. It's not light. I don't know if you can kind of see here. I got a little crease in it. It was bent in the bag. But it's just a really nice weight. So, and it's kind of a gorgeous oatmeal-y, I would say. It's an off-white. It's off-white. It's not cream. It's off-white, a bit oatmeal-y sort of colour. So I'll be listing those a bit later today. And then the other thing I'm ready to list are my collage pages. So I'll show you those. You've seen them before, but I have rescanned them with my new Eco Tank scanner, and it's fabulous. So I thought I'll just show you. Look how lovely they are. So that's just printed on just high quality matte paper. This is the second one, and I'm really thrilled with these. And as you've seen in my latest videos, I've been really enjoying using them. It's a very simple way to decorate, pages and tags and things without doing too much work. And it's all my ephemera, nothing from the internet. It's all except for that teeny tiny piece of public domain there, and that little piece there. But it's all, rest of it's all mine. So I've actually collaged these pages. They're not. I don't know if you can hear my window rattling. It's windy. And they're like some of my old letters that I still have to scan in and stuff. Just gorgeous. So not much from the internet there. It's all mine, as I keep saying. And that is, I think I already showed you that one. Oh, those are my other prints when I scanned it from my other printer. I think there's about 6 or 7 of them. So I'll be listing that file after. You can see how much better they scanned in the new scanner. They're much better. Look at that. So good. Also, I'm off screen. As usual, what changes? The other bit of news is there are 3 ladies who are waiting on their big journals. I'm only going to give you a glimpse. I'm just ready to put the ephemera in, but they are bound. Oh, get out of the way. They are bound. Look at that. That's the smallest of the big journals. That is for Melinda. Is it Melinda? Oh, I don't have her order here. I think it's Melinda. I get, because I might have contact with a Melanie and a Melinda. I think it's Melinda. So just a glimpse. That's it. You're not seeing anymore. So that one is if she likes it. Melinda, if you like it. And then this is Diana's. This is just a glimpse. This is quite big. And they are really beautiful. And I'm not going to show you inside because I'm not ready yet. And then this is Mary's. Now, Mary, I hope you like this because you said you like art. I put this beautiful painting on there that I just love. It went really well with the red background. I'm not going to show you inside because you're going to love it when you open the front cover. I'll be doing flip throughs later on, probably tomorrow, because I got to go out to have lunch with my hubby and get my hair done today. So there won't be any more videoing. So I just thought I'd update you on what I'm up to, and then I've got to work on a journal for Kelly, and I've got to finish Shirley's, and then I'm free to do any creating that I want. So I'm looking forward to making their journals, because I've got some really nice papers to use. And then I'm also looking forward to doing a few new things. I did some fun things in here that I'll show you when I do the flip through. So I'm just blabbing. I'm going to go off and drink my coffee and fill these with some ephemera and things, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.